Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ari J. That's J-A-Y. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying this Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. This is the hashtag rub challenge that you've been seeing all over Facebook and Instagram. It's supposed to last 3 to 5 days before you need to reapply it. So we're going to test that out. But before we get into this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss another upload. Because like I always say, I will be uploading many more videos. And why would you want to miss those? So with that being said, let's just get straight into this video, okay? So I watched a tutorial from Arcani Coil Care on how to use this edge control. In her tutorial, she just used it to like push all the hair back. But I want to do some like, you know how we do our edges, we like swoops. So I want to try and do some swoops and see if that work, or if that's the reason why it wouldn't work. We'll get into that. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and take down these braids. I've been doing these braids in my hair. It's like 8 braids. I've been doing them in my hair every night because it helps my hair stay stretched. It helps it stay detangled. And if I need to go somewhere real quick, I already got a cute hairstyle already loaded, and it's easy to redo at night. So I'm gonna just put some grapeseed oil on my hands and take these down. Alright guys, so now that that is taken down, we're going to go ahead and get into this edge control. I don't know if y'all can see this flaky stuff like in my hair. We're gonna ignore that because I did a high puff last week and I'm doing a protective style next week, so I'm avoiding washing my hair until I do that protective style. So bear with me, act like you don't see it, okay? So the reason I said that this might not work with swoops is because it says you're supposed to apply evenly and rub until dry, which means you're supposed to keep rubbing it until it doesn't feel tacky anymore. And with swoops, that can be kind of hard because, yeah, like there's 3, 4, 5 swoops in your head and you got to rub all of them until they feel dry. So that could take a while. But we're going to try it anyway because I ain't no quitter. So yeah, we're going to get into this. It's called Enthroned Edges, and the company, once again, is Arcani Coil Care. I'm going to have this link down in the description anyway, so if y'all want to get it, y'all can get it. I did order this from the States, so you should be able to get it in the States. It took 2 months to get to me because it got stuck in customs for like a month and a half, and then it just showed up out of nowhere on my doorstep. So we ain't complaining because it showed up, but I wanted to do this review 2 months ago, but whatever. So first I'm going to go ahead and move my hair out the way so we can actually get to these edges. So we're just going to clip these back. And these were the clips I was talking about in my Shein hair warmer, hair steamer video that I got from Shein. And y'all, I love these clips. So we're just going to pull our edges out. So this is what the edge control looks like. This is their 4-ounce bottle. They'd have a 4-ounce and an 8-ounce bottle, but I think this is I don't know, I think there's a trial size that's smaller than this, but this is the 4-ounce bottle. And the edge control is clear, but it looks black in the thing because the container is black. And it smells really good. So I'm going to go ahead and just rub down my edges. And I know y'all know how to do y'all edges, so I'm not going to be, it's not a tutorial. Take some more. Oh, I pulled out a lot. This might be too much, but whatever. Make sure it's rubbed down. Ooh. And this right here is why my forehead be breaking out. Make sure y'all wash y'all forehead after y'all lay your edges. I pulled out a lot. Good Lord. All right, we're gonna have to make this work though, because it's already out. Okay, so now that all these freaking edges have been pulled out, I'm gonna go ahead and just start right here and swoop them. Now, I might not do my edges like y'all do y'all edges, so don't judge me, because they get done either way. So I'm just swooping. Just swooping and swooping and swooping, swooping, swooping. Make sure we get these sideburns. I usually just put my sideburns down. I think I want to make these smaller. Ooh, Lord, this gonna be messy. It's already starting to dry up. Hold on. Give me a minute. Okay, so these not gonna be my best edges because I pulled out way, way too much. But whatever. And then it says you're supposed to rub it till it's dry. We're gonna try to rub it without messing it up. We're gonna rub it. We're gonna rub it. Rub it. We're gonna rub it. This side is already a little dry, but not dry enough to where I feel like it won't move. So I think it's dry. Let's see. I mean, it ain't moving. Y'all see that? And like, I'm actually, and it didn't move. I don't know about this side too much. Yeah, like, look. It's not moving. It moved a little bit because that's not completely dry. But for the most part, this side right here is dry. I know y'all can hear me rubbing. So I ain't faking. My hair, look. Oh. So it's not moving. They not cute though. Yeah, it's not moving. I can't even fix that. But yeah, like I'm literally rubbing and it's not moving at all. Like there's nothing on my hands after I rub. Look. It's not moving. And I just slapped myself in the head. I'm still gonna tie it down for a little bit just because that's what I do with my edges. So I'm gonna tie it down anyway. All right, guys, so I'm back. It probably hasn't been 10 minutes, but I'm impatient and I don't think I even needed to really tie this down, so there was no point. I did go ahead and apply a second layer just because, you know, whatever. It says you can apply a second layer as long as you rub it in all the way. I didn't rub up here in all the way, so that's why it's kind of white, because, you know, I didn't want this part of my hair flat. But yeah, so I rubbed all of it in all the way. And look, y'all. It's not moving one freaking bit. Like, honey. I've watched so many tutorials or videos where people said this edge control do not work. And honestly, I just think y'all not following directions. I think y'all don't listen. The directions say to, we're gonna go over this again. It says apply evenly, rub until dry, meaning there's no more tacky feeling. And for a stronger hold, apply a second layer and repeat. Repeat meaning rub until dry. So that's what I did with both layers, and it's not moving. It's not like, my head's a little crusty because I told y'all I pulled out too much hair, so I have like leftover edge control all around here, but that can easily be cleaned up. But like, look at this. So Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges, it's the truth. It works. You just gotta do it right. You gotta follow directions and do what it says. We all have our ways that we use our edge control. We put it on and we tie it down for a few minutes and then that's it. But we're also used to edge control that don't hold down type 4 hair. It don't keep our hair down. So those are things that we have to do with those edge controls because they need a little more help to work. But this one, as long as you follow the directions on here, baby, I'm telling you, these edges don't move. It's not moving. Don't mind the whiteness. That's because I put too much. But like Arcani Coil Care. I'm so sad y'all can't see this. Like, what's going on with this? I think I was just too bright by this window. But Arcani Coil Care. Okay? Get with it. Okay? I honestly want to order the 8 ounce of this. But for real, Arcani, if y'all looking for ambassadors, call me. Call me. My email is in the description box below. I'm here for it. I will show people how to use it and follow directions because it really do work when you follow the directions. So, hit a girl up. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Give me my 15 minutes. I'm ready. Okay? But yeah, so I'm going to be back, like I said, I'm going to show you guys 3 to 5 days afterwards and let you know if it's still held up for 3 to 5 days without me having to reapply it. I'm not going to put any more of this product on my hair for 3 to 5 days, and we'll see how long it lasts. All right. Alright, so as y'all can see, this edge control really did not last past yesterday. So this is 2 days. This edge control lasted 2 days for me. And it's still like, you can see there's still definition to my edges. But like, rub challenge wise, it is moving now after 2 days, which honestly, and it's a huge clump of something right here, but honestly, like, the fact that it lasted 2 days is still kind of cold because my edge control usually only lasts me a few hours, and I can never like rub my finger on it and it not move. It just keeps a shape for like a couple hours. Long enough for me to like leave the house and come back and my edges will still be intact. But like, this edge control lasted 2 days without moving. This is, well, a day and a half. This is like in the middle of day 2, and I just was able to brush it back. But honestly, guys, I just think that this edge control is not made for swoops, because every time they do a tutorial on it, Arcani Coil Care, every time they do a tutorial on this edge control, they just use it to push their edges back like that and just lay them down. So I don't really think this is made for swoops. I'm pretty sure it's possible because it lasted me 2 days, but I honestly just don't think that that's what it's made for. But yeah, I still love this edge control. The fact that it lasted 2 days is awesome. I will be using it more often. Probably not to do swoops, but puffs and ponytails, all that kind of stuff. Definitely will be using this. So I give it a thumbs up. If you follow the directions, do exactly what the bottle tells you to do, the edge control will work. That's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know the way I'm holding this camera is weird. It looks like I'm vlogging now. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is all I have for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.